Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you some tapping or drumming, which is tapping along the meridian lines all throughout the body. It's a really good way to stimulate your circulation, and if you're wanting to be feeling more energized, you can do it more firmly and fast. If you're wanting to wind down for the evening, you can do it slowly and softly to find a more relaxing, calm experience. It's really just great for you. It can help have positive effects on your immune system, on your circulation, your mental and physical health. So I thought I would share some ideas. You can have a go, maybe research and read a bit more around it if it takes your interest. So we'll start with our ring fingers and just tap these underneath the eyes very lightly because it's a very delicate area of the body. So just slowly tapping along the bone there that's just under at the bottom of the eye socket. Someone was telling me this is really good also for being anti-wrinkle because it stimulates blood flow to this area. So as you do it, make sure you're still breathing because it's tempting to hold your breath. And then we'll take our fingertips this time, you can use all of them, and tap on the collarbones. So tapping on here, and you can cross the arms. I learnt this on a course I did recently with Emma Newland. It's been really amazing, so I've been doing it quite a lot, so I thought I'd share it. If you go to a specialist, it can be very helpful for things like grief or any blockages you feel in your body. There's something specific. But for just general health, you can do this each day or whenever you fancy. And then the third one we're going to do is to make a light fist, so curling the fingers under. We're just doing it lightly on the space between the two halves of the rib cage, on that bone there, on the breastbone. So you can, my son thinks I'm like Tarzan doing this one. It's easier if you've got a smaller bust, I have to say, because you can reach it more easily. But just have a little tap. And then we'll pause that. And the good thing to do once you've done this technique, also before, but I forgot to mention that, but spend a moment thinking how you're feeling. So once you've finished, you can pause, maybe close your eyes or soften your gaze and just focus for a moment on listening to your body, hearing any messages it's sending you, and thinking about how you're feeling. I hope you'll give this a try, see what you think, try it throughout the day, and do let me know in the comments below how you find it. I'll see you again soon. Namaste.